Alright guys, so we are back today with another hair video. So obviously you guys can see this unit is super gorgeous. Now this unit, guys, was sent to me from Lovmuse hair company. Now this unit is a 5x5 closure unit, guys. Yes, a closure, no frontal over here whatsoever. Now this unit is 30 inches long, which I will show you guys the full length of this unit, and the density on this unit is 180% density, guys. So this is an easy slay, guys. The only product that I use in today's video, guys, to install this unit is the Ebin Wonder Lace Spray. Now this unit does come with adjustable straps, so it's pretty much a glueless type of unit, guys. When you guys will see it when I put it on with the lace, it's basically flat on my head. Now if you want to have some extra reinforcements just to make sure it's looking melted AF, I would recommend just using a regular spray, and I do recommend the Ebin, like I said, not sponsored, but this spray is very, very nice. The lace on this unit is very pretty, guys, very light and nice. Now I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit, guys, just to give me more of a realistic vibe. I did not touch this unit with any powder whatsoever, guys, so this is how you're going to install it, and this is what you're going to get. Obviously I use a stocking cap that's close to my skin color or my skin scalp color, so you know the deal. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I easily, when I mean easily, slay this unit, plus a little curling styling for you guys, just for the ones out there that want it, I would like you guys to stay tuned and keep on watching.
Baby.
Alright guys, so as you guys saw with the install portion of this video, this unit is very simple. Now it is getting into that warmer season right now, and I know a lot of you guys don't want to deal with frontals, so closure wigs are definitely going to be a perfect option. Now this is 30 inches long guys, so if you're not someone that's into long hair, then you can go ahead and cop this unit in a shorter length. But as far as the closure part and this unit being pretty much glueless with adjustable strap, I would recommend trying this unit out for the summer. You don't have to use those sticky fake waterproof glues, because I really feel like no glue is really waterproof, and it's a simple unit guys. You don't have to add any build-up makeup and all that glue kind of stuff. Use a very nice spray that is low residue, which is going to help you along the way. Like I said to you guys, the Even Wonderlace spray works very well for that. Even the humidity, you just touch it up. You can put like the little travel size one in your bag, but like I said, because this unit does come with an adjustable strap, it is pretty much glueless. Now I do have like a little bit of a tussle with this hair. Now one thing I did notice is that it is 30 inches long guys, so as far as curling it, the curls aren't going to be all unison type curls. I try to do it the curling wand way, where you kind of wrap it around the curler, and then I did like the original way when you kind of open the curler up and curl it. I do find that curling it when you open it up and doing it that way works better. The curls last longer. As you guys can see on this side, the curls in the front just look better with the full curl method. Y'all get kind of what I mean. Now I did go ahead and use spritz to kind of hold the curls into place guys. I realize that spritz does a really good job. You guys know as an overall hairspray, I do sometimes go in with the Even Wonderlace as well, just because it's a super hold. It's going to hold the curls in place and kind of fight all that humidity that's been going on in NYC or wherever you're at, because I know it's pretty hot in a lot of places right now. But that's my only concern, is that the curls aren't so in unison, and because it might be because it's a longer length, but obviously you'll see in the front right here, you do get kind of like a layered effect. I did not cut the front. Usually with the 30-inch units, I'll add more like of a shorter length in the front just to give you the fake layers. You can do this one in the side part guys, so you kind of have to do like a little bit of a curvature to get your side part, but I thought the middle part looked really good. Let me come up close to show you guys the lace. I gotta get real close. So this is the lace guys. I actually cut the little edges off right here so you didn't see that white spot or white area. But this is the lace just with the Even Wonderlace guys. It looks very natural, as you guys can tell. Oh, the camera quality, baby. So the unit looks pretty natural. Like I said to you guys, the length is nice. It is a bit on the hot side for this type of length, but if you want to, I would recommend ordering a shorter length. But if you're those type of girls that likes to wear the long hair, add a little bit of a deep wave to it, middle part deep wave. Period. So one thing about this unit, the hair quality is pretty good. Now the lace is going to be the best part. Like I said, this looks really realistic. I did go ahead and bleach it, but it's up to you. I really felt like they did a good job anyways. You didn't really have to bleach it, but I'm extra, so that's what I did. You can go on YouTube and find 1,000 tutorials on how to bleach. I'm not a big expert. I just kind of pick things off of people and learned it myself, so I'm not the one to come for that. But other than that, guys, love the unit. Looks good, giving Beyonce vibes per usual. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, per usual, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Lovmuse.com. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.